Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here, business author and speaker. The title of this YouTube presentation is Who Owns the Future? Appreciate if at the end of the video, if you could hit the like symbol, the thumbs up thing, and subscribe to my channel. It's very simple. Who owns the future? Very simple. The future belongs to those individuals who could discern and adapt to the changing economic forces and have the wherewithal, that's a nice word, isn't it? Wherewithal, to exploit opportunities. I hit the term wherewithal more than once because wherewithal could mean a lot of different things, but in business, this is what it means. This is what it means. If you have this, you have the wherewithal. It's wherewithal equals free cash flow. That's what it means in business. If you have the free cash flow, you have the you have the stuff where you could take advantage of opportunities. It's easier to take advantage of opportunities if you have the wherewithal, the free cash flow. That's simple. Don't make life complicated. Please don't make it complicated. Just think of wherewithal is equal to free cash flow. Anyways, enough. I don't want to make a long video. Appreciate if you, as I said in the beginning, if you could hit the like button, not the like button, the like symbol, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you again. Take care now.